ABC Speaking Academy. Today, let's have a daily use English sentences at home. Are you ready? Let's begin. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Mom. I woke up early today.
I woke up early today.
May I brush my teeth?
May I brush my teeth?
I want to take a bath.
I want to take a bath.
Where are my clothes?
Where are my clothes?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
What's for breakfast?
What's for breakfast?
Can I have more, please?
Can I have more, please?
Thank you for the food.
Thank you for the food.
May I watch cartoons?
May I watch cartoons?
I want to play now.
I want to play now.
Where is my toy?
Where is my toy?
Let's play together.
Let's play together.
I need help, please.
I need help, please.
Can you tie my shoelaces?
Can you tie my shoelaces?
I love my family.
I love my family.
I'm going to clean my room.
I'm going to clean my room.
My bed is messy.
My bed is messy.
Let's read a story.
Let's read a story.
May I use the crayons?
May I use the crayons?
Look at my drawing.
Look at my drawing.
I finished my homework.
I finished my homework.
Can you check me work?
Can you check my work?
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I want to rest.
I want to rest.
I'll help set the table.
I'll help set the table.
Dinner smells good.
Dinner smells good.
I like this food.
I like this food.
Can I have some juice?
Can I have some juice?
I'm full now.
I'm full now.
I want to go outside.
I want to go outside.
May I ride my bike?
May I ride my bike?
I'm going to water the plants.
I'm going to water the plants.
I love my pet.
I love my pet.
It's time to feed the dog.
It's time to feed the dog.
I help with the laundry.
I'll help with the laundry.
Can I watch a movie?
Can I watch a movie?
Let's sing a song.
Let's sing a song.
It's time to clean up.
It's time to clean up.
I'll put my toys away.
I'll put my toys away.
Let's bake something.
Let's bake something.
I'm washing my hands.
I'm washing my hands.
It's bath time.
It's bath time.
I'm in my pajamas.
I'm in my pajamas.
Let's say a bedtime prayer.
Let's say a bedtime prayer.
Can you read me a story?
Can you read me a story?
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
I love you, Mom and Dad.
I love you, Mom and Dad.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Thanks for listening.